Yes.
Please, my lord. My name is C.J. Agi. Humble appearance is for the defendant.
Yes.
My lord, the matter for today is adopting of motion.
What did you say the matter is for?
The matter today is listed for continuation of hearing, my lord. However, the last adjourned date, my lord instructed we file a deeming order. So we have done that, my lord.
You filed a deeming order when?
Ready to move. April, my lord.
It's an application. Are you saying that you don't want to move the application and then you will continue with the hearing?
Yes, my lord.
You filed the motion of notice for deeming order when?
April, my lord.
You are ready to move this application?
Yes, ma'am.
The defendant counsel, you have any objection to that? Okay, you have been served, right?
Yes, you are served. You are served. That was just last Friday.
Okay, but you are not objecting to that application.
Yes.
Okay, move in terms, counsel.
Before you is a motion of notice. Dated 30th day of April 2024.
I said move in terms.
Yes, yes. Lord, we move in terms of the motion paper. May it please my noble Lord.
When did you file the amended statement of facts?
Same date.
Let somebody call the police for me. Jeep. Who did you take? Who did you take permission from?
Harcourt, please.
Statement of facts, the written statement of work, with other processes filed by the claimant on April 30, 2024, as pages 98 to 107 of the court record are hereby being properly filed and signed.
Harcourt, please. My lord, attached to the statements of fact, we added an additional document. Attached to the witness deposition, we added an additional document. Or we made reference to an additional document.
It's not from documents there, and that's why I said you have to say file.
Yes, my
Same
lord.
day, right?
Yes, my lord. So with your leave, my lord, I will want the claimant to adopt the document.
Mrs. Amato, you are now ready for continuation of the hearing.
Yes, my lord.
Is it
Yes, my lord. We have commenced, my lord. Other documents have been given exhibits.
CW1?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
So you are ready to continue the evidence in court.
Yes, my lord, with your leave, my lord.
Final counsel, you are ready?
My lord, we're ready.
Yes? Is that?
The registrar. The registrar. The claimant.
Yes.
Mr. Ramsey,
Yes, please.
you remember you're on oath.
Yes, I do.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do know I am on oath. I am to say nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Allow the witness admit that he's on oath.
He's not speaking on that, speak up.
Please, Mr. Ramsey, you need to be audible.
Okay, I'm sorry about that, but I'm speaking directly to the mic. Yes, I do understand that I am on oath.
Can you hold on, please? Hold on. Hold on.
What is not delay? Oh, so. I want to say that. Okay. All right. Yes, Jim.
Allow the witness admitted he's on oath.
Yes.
You made a decision on the 30th day of April 20. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm beginning to hear you now. Could you come back, please, with the question?
I said you made a further deposition
Yes.
on the 30th day of April 2024. Do you want to adopt same as your evidence in this case?
Yes, I want to adopt same as evidence to my case. Yes, to this case.
Okay.
Is it this one that is titled Witness Deposition of Ramsey Samuel?
Yes, my lord.
Because it's not titled additional. There's no additional there, but it's okay, right?
Yes, my lord.
Use it. This one is okay. Yes?
In paragraph 9 of that statement, Roman numeral VIII.
Does he have a copy of the list of documents with him?
I sent him
Ask
the
him.
copy. Yes. Do you have a copy of that document?
Yes, I do.
List of additional documents. So let him read it out.
Okay, please mention the document. Hearing of my lord.
Okay. There's the offer of employment dated 30th of December 2016.
Please repeat yourself.
Okay, it's the offer of employment dated 30th of December 2016.
Okay. Defendant counsel, you have it.
Yes, my lord, we have it here.
Attached to the statement of 30th.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's the last exhibit number? C7. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one will be exhibit C8.
What pleases?
So, sorry, my lord. When I was asked about the
I'm
document.
still writing counsel.
Sorry.
Yes.
Yes. My thinking was that my lord was asking whether I have seen the document. My lord, I said yes. I didn't know that it was about tendering it. My lord, we have objection to the admissibility of the said document.
I'm not done with him.
Because it already matters. I think.
That's what my Lord does.
Counsel,
Yes, my lord.
any document that you are opposing to, just note it in your final written address, raise it, and I'm going to resolve it before I go to the body of the
As a
judgment.
copy.
Just note it down.
As a copy.
So the documents that pretend that they are not signed. Please, can you tell the court where the originals of these documents are?
They are not signed. Okay.
Okay, my lord. So, thank you. So the documents, original and signed copies are with the company, Alcon Nigeria Limited. This is what they sent to me for us to endorse and return to them. So, and then after which they have the whole documents in their custody. So the signed document is with Alcon
Can you
Nigeria.
talk to me slowly because I need to put you down? Talk
Yes,
to
my
me
lord.
slowly and let me put you down.
Yes, my lord. So the signed document is with Alcon
You
Nigeria
are
Limited.
referring to the document that you have just sent that.
Yes, the offer of
That's the offer
employment.
of employment.
Yes, my lord. Correct.
Just hold on. Yes.
Yes, my lord. So the signed document is with the company Alcon Nigeria Limited. It is their process. It is going along. It's in my file folder. So that is where all my documents pertaining myself in contract with the company are. So the
You
custodian
said
of
the
the
signed
document,
document is where?
the company Alcon Nigeria Limited.
That is the defendant.
Yes, my Lord.
You say all your documents are with them?
This is one of the ones that is with them, my lord.
Okay.
So what do you want the court to do for you?
I would like the court to please adopt this to my case as evidence to this case.
My Lord, that will be all for him in examination in chief.
Okay. Defendant's counsel.
Yes.
Remember, you have maximum of 40 minutes. maximum by our rules.
Yes,
But you
Mr.
can abridge it. You don't spend more than, I mean, up to that, but you can't spend more.
Mr. Ramsey,
Yes, please.
yes. You did not sign offer of employment with the defendant.
That is incorrect. I have signed a letter of offer and engagement with the defendant, and also all through the years till the date I left. They also have a letter of resignation, which was accepted by the same firm. Unfortunately, this particular letter offer of employment is
Slowly,
not
please.
in my interest.
Slowly, please. Slowly, please. My lord is writing.
Right.
You were saying something. You can continue.
Okay, thank you. So yes, I said I have signed that letter of offer of employment, which is with the custody of Harcourt, Nigeria Limited. It is part of my file folder with the company, with the HR department in particular.
Yes?
Now, if you signed the offer of employment, where did you get the one you just tendered? The copy you just
Okay.
tendered?
They normally send us soft copies. Okay, so we download it, we print it out, okay, with the copier, and then we sign and we send the hard copy, the original copy, to the company. Because we're normally in different locations. We're not in the base location. We're always on the outskirts or outside, let's say outskirts of the country. So we're not local to Port Harcourt base itself. I've been employed with them for the past like 6-7 years. I've only visited when I'm going on vacation to the main head office. So my interaction with them directly in the base office is limited. So that's why they send a soft copy via email, which we download, we sign, and then we send back the hard copy through the company courier. Hope that was clear.
What do you mean by in-country allowance?
In what?
In-country. You said you are entitled to in-country allowance.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Okay. In-country allowance is
Where is
money.
that?
Not in paragraph. Sorry, madam. In-country.
Is it in this additional written statement or
Yes.
not? in country,
IN hyphen country.
country, right? That's in paragraph 2.
All right. Okay, thank you, my lord. That's in paragraph 2.
Okay.
So what do you mean by in-country allowance?
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, it isn't my own meaning. It is the company that drafted the contract. That is their own way of saying when you are working and you are in the country, that is, you're not on vacation, you're not out of the country. So you're entitled to an allowance. So far, you're in the country working for the establishment, for the main company, you will have an in-country allowance. So once you go on vacation or on leave, that in-country allowance will no more be applicable to you. So that is their own terms. That's the company, Alcon.
That's in the letter given to you.
Yes, madam. Yes, your lordship. Yes, yes, my lordship. Sorry. Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Now, in the exhibit C8, that is the offer of employment. There is nowhere.
Just hold on, please. Hold on, please. No,
Yes.
the claimant has 8 exhibits.
C8.
Just hold on, please. Yes, Council. Sorry.
There is nowhere in Exhibit C8 that it is provided you have such allowance called in-house, in-country allowance.
Hello?
May
Lord,
I?
I will want my learned to refer the claimant counsel, the particular document that is Exhibit C8, so that we are tuned. And also, my lord, the evidence speaks for itself, my lord. If you look at the offer of employment, the Exhibit C8, look at paragraph 3, my lord. Relation. It is written clearly.
Is it at this stage that you people will be addressing and readdressing me on documents?
As what pleases, my lord.
Yes, Council, what's your question?
Lord, I will withdraw that question. Sorry.
Is it now that you are framing your questions or what? Because I'm waiting for you, Council.
Sorry, Lord, now, it is true that in the contract you had with the defendant, your payment was based on the services you rendered with respect to a particular project and not based on any letter of employment.
Should I respond?
Does he understand what you are saying?
Let me repeat the question.
Yes, go ahead.
My question is that the contract you had with the defendant is that your remuneration is based on the services you rendered to the defendant with respect to a particular project and not based on any letter of employment.
Okay, thank you. That is incorrect. My services are rendered based on, of course, the letter of employment, because we move from project to project. So it isn't on one project that I've worked since I was employed with them. I've worked on more than 12 different projects, and they even send us to different other projects. So within the facility, within other areas. So it is based on me being employed with them. It's based on the employment letter. So they have the right to send me to any of their projects.
Witness, can you see me whether I'm writing or not? Because when I'm writing, I can't listen to you.
Forgive me, Your Lordship.
Okay. Yes?
Now, it is also true that the defendant had on several occasions invited you to cross-check the claim you are making from them, but you refuse to turn up.
Okay, that is very, very, very untrue, because I've been there to their offices, I met with them and pleaded with them, and they even refused giving me audience. So that your statement is very untrue.
As in, it's not true that they invited him and he did not.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. The defendant did not pay you the money you are claiming for two reasons. The first reason is that you could not give a clear explanation on how you are entitled to this money. Number two, that your claim was not based on the contractual agreement you have with them.
So I really don't understand what you just said. That I don't have a contract with them? Is that what you just said? I have worked with them from 16 ending, yes, till 2021 ending there. That's beginning of 2022 there. That's when I put up my resignation to them, which they acknowledged. And I made sure that we mentioned that we have so and so that is being owed to me. So how is it that you will work with them for how many years and then they will not pay you your salary? And you say that they don't want to pay because there's a contract.
Mr. Ramsey, Mr. Ramsey, can you listen to me?
Go ahead.
What he's asking you is that the defendant did not pay you your claim because you did not satisfy them why you are entitled to it.
Okay, I did not satisfy them why I am entitled to it.
You did not give enough reason or satisfactory reason why you are entitled, why you are claiming those claims.
Okay. However, I have a contract in place and there's a numeration that is agreed on monthly, and they didn't satisfy the payments.
So you are saying that you base your claims on your agreement with them?
Yes, of course. Yes,
Okay.
Your Lordship.
Yes?
My Lord, that will be all for the witness.
Okay, re-examination.
No, my lord.
Mrs. Amatonje.
Lord. No re-examination. That will be all for the claimants, my lord.
That's the claimant's case.
We are most grateful, sir.
Mr. Agi.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes?
Lord, I said, having done with his cross-examination, we are joining for defense.
You are the one adjourning, counsel?
Sorry, my Lord. I had earlier informed the court that we are done with cross-examination.
Of course, yes. And the claimant has closed his
Yes,
case.
my Lord. My Lord, will be asking for a date for defense.
Ask me properly.
I humbly apply for a date, my Lord, for defense. The most obliged.
How many witnesses are you calling?
No, we have 2 witnesses.
That you have listed.
Well, we have not filed, though our processes is in the making. We were just served on Friday. Currently, we would have raised the objection to the hearing.
You were served on Friday.
On Friday, yes. On Friday, 3rd day of May, which was just last Friday. My Lord will recall that on the last date, my Lord directed the claimant to serve the defendant with advance copy of the amended instance, so that we will have enough time to reply before today. But that was not done until 3rd May. So from that 3rd day, just about 5 days. However, we did not want to stall proceedings today. So we'll go. We are doing our best. In a few days' time, our statement of defense will be ready.
You have not filed your statement of defense.
Yes, madam.
And you told the court that you are ready for hearing?
Yes, in anticipation that before the next adjourned date, our process will be ready.
When did you enter appearance?
We entered appearance on the last date. That was
June.
February.
Memorandum.
It's not February.
You know, 14th of February, the order of appearance.
So when did you enter appearance council?
You know that we filed our memorandum of appearance. Sorry, madam. But I know that it's sometime in March. Sorry, I was rushing. I asked my junior in the office to come along with the file, but because I don't know why he has not been here till now. But I know we filed sometime in March.
March this year?
Yes, this year. And what has been delaying the filing of our process is that the officers of the company that are in position to provide facts, who are only talking on phone, have not made themselves available yet to us, as they are out of Port Harcourt. So we have communicated with them recently, and they have given us assurance that by this weekend they will be in town and be able to get facts from them fully.
You said they promised to do that when?
By this weekend, sir. This is what they told us. So we're expecting them to be in town, to be in Port Harcourt by this weekend.
Yes. You can see that you have no point. Why are you trying to blame the claimants that they are the one that did not serve your amendment?
Hello?
We were
When I want you to talk, I'll call you.
As the court pleases, my lord.
When originally you entered appearance since March, and this is May. You know, this is a civil matter. You may decide not to file defense. That's why we put.
I'm so sorry. Oh, fine.
July 10th.
Hello, July 10th is coming.
My Lord is convenient. My Lord, I just wanted to, I'm not supposed to him taking dates, but I just want to put the record straight, my Lord. We did not file anything new, my Lord.
Any what?
We did not file anything new. If my Lord, you remember the
You
last
said
time
you did not file what?
we did not file anything new. The last time we came, we moved the motion to amend our process. And attached to that motion was
Your
the
proposed amendment.
yes, my Lord.
You just brought a clean copy.
Yes, my Lord. It's the same thing. We did not change anything. So him saying that we just served him on Friday, it's quite. I want to restrain myself, my Lord.
It's okay. Don't worry.
But my Lord directed that you serve us.
I did serve you that day.
No, serve us with advanced copy of the amended process. But that is not an issue anyway.
Mr. Agi, you don't have a point. He gave you a proposed amendment. He just brought the clean copy. Did you check that one and you see that it's different from the proposed one she submitted? Cancer, I'm asking.
Yes, because, my Lord, I was only referring to what my Lord said that very day. That in anticipation
So
of
having you advanced copy of a clean copy is an additional advantage because you already have it.
well, in view of the amendment that was made, we didn't have the amended copy. On the last date.
But did you have the proposed amendment?
That was the one that was served on us on Friday.
Exactly. What he filed now, is it different from the proposed one?
Lord, is virtually the same. Only the
exactly.
The
so you should have used that. You should have used the proposed one to prepare your defense if you really want to defend this matter.
We'll do the needful.
Of July.
Covenant.
Lord is confident.
My Lord, if my Lord is not mindful to accommodate us, my Lord, may I propose that we take 2 dates so that it can be done?
I don't do that here.
Yes, God, please, my Lord.
When I give you a date, I'm ready to take your date, your case.
Yeah,
now I'm adjourning for defense. I'll be ready for the defense that day.
I'm most grateful, sir.
This matter is adjourned to July 10, 2024 for defense in Port Harcourt.
Harcourt, please.
Lord, we are most grateful.
My Lord, I must thank you for accommodating us via virtual hearing. You understand the change in things, and we are most grateful for accommodating us.
My Lord, thank you.
You're welcome. It doesn't have to be here on the next agenda.
Yes, my lord.
So you don't need to do virtual on that day. Okay, I want to write.